How to reverse data vertically in Excel. If you want to reverse the order of data in a vertical range, so the last row appears first, and the first row moves to the bottom, Excel offers several quick and easy ways to do it. Method 1. Use the SORTBY function. First, click a blank cell and enter this formula, equals SORTBY. First argument, select the data range you want to reverse. Second argument, apply row function to generate an array of the original row numbers. Third argument, type -1, means, sort in descending order. Press Enter key, and voila! The entire data range is instantly displayed in reverse order. Note, SORTBY function is available only in newer versions of Excel, including Microsoft 365 and Excel 2021 or later. The formula returns results in a new location. To reverse data in place, use one of the following methods. Method 2. Helper column and sort feature. Insert a helper column next to your data. Then, enter a sequence of numbers such as 1, 2. Select the 2 number double-click the fill handle to fill other numbers. Then, select the helper column. Go to the Data tab, and click Sort Largest to Smallest. In the dialog box, select Expand the selection, and then click Sort. Excel will rearrange the entire data range according to the helper column, reversing the original row order. After sorting, you can delete the helper column if you no longer need it. Method 3. Use Kutools for Excel. For a faster one-click solution, you can use Kutools for Excel. After installation, select the data range you want to reverse. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Range. Choose Flip Vertical Range. Select all to flip both values and cell formatting, or only flip values to reverse the values only. Here, I select all. And your data will be reversed instantly, without formulas or helper columns. Which method do you prefer? Like this video and subscribe for more useful Excel tips and tricks.